In this video from SharpHelp, we're taking a look at how you can set up the manual tax system on the XEA207 register. So I'm based in the UK using the 207 model, but actually the settings that we do on this machine will also apply to the 177, the 217 and the 307 as well. So you should be able to extrapolate for your register. So the way my till's currently set up is I've got v.a.t or tax programmed into the machine. I've got it set to automatically apply, and it's automatically adding the tax into the sale. So when I sell £1 through a department, it's taking that as 83p net, 17p VAT, and totaling at £1. So that's how it's currently set up, which is the default method of using the tax system, certainly in the UK on the Sharp tills. You can have loads of different ways of setting the tax. I've done another video showing you how to add the tax on, so that when you ring £1 through a department, the till, providing it's a taxable department, will add that tax rate onto the pound sale rather than include it in the pound. But what's interesting is you can also set up manual taxes on the machine, so whereby you might only apply VAT to certain sales depending on the item, or more likely who you're selling the item to. So I won't cover the whys and wherefores of where you might do that, but I'll basically show you how to do it, and then I'll demonstrate what actually happens once you've done it, so you can see, right, yeah, that works for me. I want to set that up rather than just blindly following what I'm doing in this video. I'm not covering tax rate programming or applying the tax rates to the departments. I've done separate videos on how to do that, so you'll need to check those out if you're looking to set up your tax rates. So this video kind of presumes that you've done that already. You've set up your tax rates and you've applied them to the correct departments. Okay, so let's get into the tax system programming and take a look at what we can do in terms of manual VAT and manual tax. First thing to do is to get into the program mode by pressing Mode, 6, TLNS, then choosing Setting, typing in 12, and that jumps you to the tax programming area. We're not looking at tax rates, so we can ignore 1, 2, 3, 4 tax. We're going straight into tax system by pressing TLNS. Mine's defaulted to auto VAT 1 to 4, which is how you have the tax set up to automatically apply and be an add-in tax. If you press the subtotal button, you'll then get what can be a daunting amount of taxes appear, or tax systems appear to choose from. So the top one, if we go through them, auto tax 1 to 4 is automatically applied, but is adding on. So if you sell £1, the till adds on the tax, so mine would be 20%, so it would add on 20p. The auto VAT 1 to 4 is the one I've just demonstrated. If we take a look at the manual ones, we've got manual VAT 1 to 4, so that would be the manual version of add in, so that's the one I'm not going to choose. I'm going to choose manual VAT. Is basically forces, when you press the VAT button, it forces VAT rate 1 to apply, but I'm going to choose manual tax 1 to 4. So I choose that by highlighting it, pressing the TLNS button, TLNS again, and then when I'm at the tax screen, I press escape cancel 3 times to get back to the reg mode. So that's how easy it is to change the tax system. So now let's have a look at what actually happens with our new tax system. If we sell £1 through department 1, basically nothing happens, no tax is applied. It just sells it as £1 through department 1, and there's no reference to any tax, because obviously we've got a manual tax system. So if you repeat that sale, £1 through department 1, press subtotal and go into payment menu and then choose VAT, it adds the tax on. So the tax is applied as an add-on tax. So we can cash that sale off, and we can see on the receipt we've got £1 and then 20p of VAT. Please remember that obviously mine's at 20%, so depending on what country and territory in, you'll have to set yours up separately. What I'll really quickly do is show you the other way of doing it. We go back into tax system, manual tax 1 to 4. If we go manual VAT 1 to 4, put £1 through, again nothing happens when you don't apply the VAT, but if we now put another £1 through, do the subtotal and go select VAT, this is the add-in version. So again, it's manually applied, but it's presuming that you want the tax to be part of the £1. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to set up the tax correctly on your Sharp registers, so feel free to check those out because some of those will be appearing on the screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.